of my family from Indala High School. Reflecting on the journey we have embarked upon together, we had so many challenges trying to bring change in the school, not only to academic excellence, but also at nurturing well-rounded individuals that will add value to the society as well as in their families. We have learned so many lessons and milestones. From the moment I stepped foot at Indala in 2015, I was struck by the infrastructure. I've even asked Mr. Madalati, but Madalati, we control the discipline because because the joint structure Department of Education, SIBA will see. Like SMT and the principal will just stand in one corner and then Lena just vanish. But in my same way, the mobile, I'm very image. Please. Actually, Mr. Kuboni, I guess it's Zamenat's name, Loco Much. That's how I have Kuboni, no, Kuboni, Musuput, and Ufunanga, and the classy, what's it from a gate? Mother, what's in Jumbona, but Shanana, from a gate is a born never so by Lega Masako, because your eyes have funneled the contacts in the So may I also thank the team and the SMT and supported I won't mention names, Gobabupona Abanye Kolan. And our vision was and still is to empower every student to thrive. As the author said, school is a building which has 4 walls with tomorrow inside. No man ever want even the paint. Grounds uniform. Ngifike ekhaya ngithi kuyaqala isikole ngomhla ka-17 Mr. Madala wayesanda ukungiletha ngithi khona ikhaya sengifuna ukuyidala encane angaziwanga umuntu but isikole siyavula on the 17th ngifike on the 15th ngizomede ithi ngixosha yonke ingane ngayifake i-uniform wathi uyoyisusela ukuthi ngishimoni leya nto cause ngacabanga ukuthi iseJohnston ngakwenza ne-team yami kwasisebenzela. Then again, I want also to extend my heartfelt gratitude to all officials who are here, parents, SGB members, educators, all stakeholders.